Hi guys, welcome back to Winnfrey's kitchen where we cook delicious meals and are very easy to prepare. If you're new here, karibu sana, and please feel free to press the notification button down below so once I upload a video you'll be able to be notified. So today we will be preparing cucumber, tomato and avocado salad. Please stay tuned. For the cucumber, tomato and avocado salad, we need 2 large tomatoes, 1 large cucumber, 1 avocado, coriander leaves or cilantro, 1 medium-sized onion. And every salad has a dressing. So for the dressing, we need 2 pieces of lime. If you do not have lime, we can use lemon. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. So before you cut your vegetables, ensure that your vegetables are clean and also ensure that your hands are clean. So I'm going to dice the tomatoes and the cucumber first, then I'll cut the onions and cilantro and then the avocado. So I'm going to remove this part. You'll also mix this into the bowl. Okay, I'm going to cut the cilantro or the coriander leaves. I'm also adding this. Now it's my onion, and for the onions, ensure that you cut very thin slices. You don't want to eat large chunks, so just something like this, small slices like this one. We are going to prepare the dressing, and for this we will use our lime, olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. To extract enough juice from the lime, we continuously roll the lime on a flat surface like so. It should be soft inside, like so. You see, like I can press. So I'm going to cut it into 2. And I'm going to squeeze the juice inside our salad. And ensure that the seeds of the lime or the lemon that you will use will not enter into the bowl of your salad. So we are also going to add our oil, our olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. And then now we are going to do the mixing, and you use 2 spoons. Don't use 2 forks, use 2 spoons. And you mix it like so. And our salad is ready. This is how your salad should look like. That's all we had for you today, and be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for more of these quick and easy delicious homemade meal recipes. Till next time, kukhani khani.